All right, second ride of the day. It's gonna be me, Jacoby Cruz, as you know. We're gonna ride the Ninebot scooter, and as you guys can see, I'm gonna be filming here. And we're going. It's a beautiful day out today. As you can see, our friend right here today, unfortunately, has to go home. But yeah, we'll be riding around a little bit. It's a great day. Just got out of school. Make sure to like and comment on new videos you want us to post. This is just some starter videos and stuff, you know. It's starting to get real fall. We just hit 20 on down that hill right there. 23. Coming back up, take a couple more turns, we'll get back into destination. If you're wondering who owns this, well, we also have a group of people, which is me, the rider right now is Jacoby Cruz. As you know, sometimes I might have braids, sometimes I might have my hair out. You know, Mason Chili Pezza, which is him, Scott Murphy, the one that just left, Michael, he's not here today, and Ashton Pelagani. We are arriving to our destination.
We're back. This time we are going to be using drive mode. There's 3 modes. There's Eco, Sport, and Drive. We were using Drive. Now we were using Sport. Now we're using Drive. And let's take off. As you can tell, not nearly as fast as Sport. Sport can reach about 21 miles per hour. This can reach about only 20. It's quick enough to get around and do all that. Eco can only hit 12 sadly, but it's just fun to just cruise. Actually, I'm being collected. This can go 21 and Sport can go 25, I believe. So just doing a shorter lap because it's not as fast, you know. The acceleration on this is what makes a huge difference. The acceleration on this is more slow-paced and enjoyable. The other one's kind of sicko mode. That's how I would describe it. And that's why we used a little bit of a shorter destination, as you guys can see. With all that, we are almost back. And should be pulling up any seconds.
Okay, so we're gonna be riding in eco mode, as you guys can see right here. Mason showed 3 different ways. I don't know if you guys, oh, there you go, eco. We're gonna be filming, you know, regular Ninebot we're using today, as you can see right there. All right, we're gonna be here to go and start. One fact about this one is it is pretty slow. It's a great cruiser just to like cruise around if you don't feel like wearing a helmet, you don't need to. Great thing about Ninebot is you, whatever size feet you wear, unless you're shack or something like that, I mean, you're easily gonna be able to put your feet on. Like, I could have 1 foot off, 1 foot on. We're going a different route this time. Just come up here, take a little circle there. Nice brakes, if you guys want to see. I'm gonna do a little brake stop. Nice and sharp. Nothing too bad about this. Love the bell on this. And it comes custom built to it. You can also customize this, I'm pretty sure. Kickstand, great. Kickstand you won't have to worry about. Kickstand's just, it's perfectly fine. We're gonna cruise around this corner over here. See how it's going, slow. Maybe pop a wheelie, I don't know. Let's see, pop in one maybe. All right, we are going to be doing the top speed on downhill, great hill, big hill. We'll see you there. Okay, we have made it to the top of the hill. One thing I like is the view over here, as you guys can see. There's gonna be another hill we're gonna go down, but this is the big hill. We'll tell you how fast we're going, and here we go. We're hitting 22, 23, 24, 24. We hit 25. Let's go. We've hit 25. Here's another hill we're gonna go down. 23, 23. A little wobbly on this one. I love going down that hill. We might have some vlogs. See who can go the fastest on the hill. I wouldn't go on that big hills with like different kinds of scooters, trust me. Maybe a bike you can stop it, but like these kinds of scooters, like the one I'm riding, you see this turn right here? We're taking a sharp turn. Yeah, phenomenal. Phenomenal tires, brakes, everything. We didn't use the brakes there because we have a helmet on for safety. Got some pants, long sleeve. Gotta cut ourselves up. Alright, as you guys can see, this is our normal destination. We're gonna be taking here. Oh, sharp turn like usual. See how the tires are very nice there. We might hit a wheelie right here. I don't know. But as you guys saw, that hill was phenomenal. We're out.
Feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind. Tell the feeling like I'm rapping a damn lie. Tell the feeling like my life is a damn game. Nigga really wanna die in the nighttime. Only time I feel pain when I'm feeling love. That's why I said it on my face that I'm down on. Only time you got my mind when I'm all alone. That's why I'm never really alone in the nighttime. Change hoes like clothes, I can get attached. Cause these hoes 5 toners like lit matches. I've been feeling really lost.